Ilang araw na lang bago maghalalan at ilang makina pa lang ang sinusubukan, pumalya na. Kaya't ang tanong ngayon ay kung kakayanin pa bang magkaroon ng isang automated election sa nakatakdang oras na may kredibilidad at pagkakatiwalaan. Jeff Canoy, Patrol ng Pilipino,
Sa harap ng
Batangas.
kabi-kabilang batikos ng iba't ibang grupo sa kawalan umano ng kahandaan ng COMELEC sa pagdaraos ng automated elections, tiniyak ng COMELEC na handa sila sa darating na halalan. Katunayan na ilatag na raw nila ang mga plano sakaling magkaroon ng aberya sa botohan. Nagpapatrol Ryan Chua.
Failure of automation, hindi failure of elections. Ito ayon sa COMELEC ang pinakamalala ng pwedeng mangyari ngayong halalan. Pero magkaganito man, sinisiguro ng ahensya na sa huli, may mga mahahalal na bagong lider ng bansa. Ryan Chua, Patrol ng Pilipinas.
This is a copy of an election return. Ito ang ilan sa mga kinikwestyong election returns ni Lito Atienza mula sa ilang presinto sa Maynila. Ang ER na may petsang April 28, 2010, kung saan 302 ang boto ni Lim, 71 si Atienza. Ang ER na ito naman may petsang May 4, 2010, kung saan 276 si Lim, 213 si Atienza. Ito naman, petsang May 9, 2010, 187 si Lim, 113 si Atienza.
The date of the voting happens to be April 28, whereas the date of the counting happens to be May 10. It's not a question of time, it is a question of date.
I think there should be, you should differentiate it because the April 28 in the machine is actually May 10.
No, sir. In that case, there were a lot of operations that were related to the time. In this case, the time is serving for time-stamping the log, but the counting of the votes, the interpretation of the ballots, and even the transmission and the digital signing are not time-related operations.
This is regarding the timestamp. Smartmatic said that it is within the allowable margin of error. First question is, did they actually do an audit of all the PCOS machines which has the wrong dates in order for them to say that it is within that allowable margin of error? Second, is this a policy between COMELEC and Smartmatic that there is an allowable margin of error in programming the dates? Third, if there is such a policy, please provide that written copy of that policy. And fourth, will the COMELEC please comment on if a policy is in place, how it could reconcile with the provision of law which states that election returns should contain the date of the election. And as what have been given as examples by our colleagues, there are different dates reflected in various election returns. I have my own here from my district reflecting different dates, not May 10.
My office received a call from the COMELEC, from COMELEC Commissioner Gregorio Larrazabal, requesting for permission to be able to send the RFI officers as well as Smartmatic personnel to the House of Representatives to make the necessary correction in the code number of registered voters data in the CCS. The correction is with respect to the number of registered voters encrypted in this server, which is 256,733,195, I think. Automated election law uses the terms transparency, credibility, fairness, and accuracy. The correction is with respect to the number of registered voters encrypted in this server, which is 256,733,195, I think.